Excuse me, sir. I'm a bit lost. Can you help me, please?
Hey there. Of course, I'd be happy to assist. Are you a tourist exploring our city?
Indeed. I just landed today, and my hotel, the Royal Residence, is supposed to be just a couple of blocks from here.
That's a great choice. If you ever need recommendations or a tour guide, I'm your man.
Thanks. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm here solo, so any local tips are gold.
No problem. I know this place like the back of my hand.
Excellent. First things first, do you know where the nearest bank is?
We've got 2 banks nearby. The first one is right across the street and a block away, but it's been closed for months due to renovations.
Yeah, I found that out the hard way. What about the other one? The one near my hotel?
Oh, no, that one never opens. The nearest functioning bank is 3 blocks to the right from here.
Perfect, I'll head there. Now, how about a recommendation for a good, affordable restaurant?
We've got plenty of great options. Are you in the mood for something specific?
I'm looking for a budget-friendly place. Maybe chicken or Chinese cuisine.
In that case, Delicious Bites is your spot, just 2 blocks from here.
Great. But I need more specific directions, since I'm not familiar with the area.
Apologies for that. Just keep going straight for 3 blocks, then make a right.
Thanks a lot. And what if I'm not into seafood? I'm allergic, so that's a no-go for me.
Oh, no worries. Tasty Wok specializes in seafood, so it's not your best choice. How about I point you to a nearby Chinese restaurant instead?
That sounds perfect. Can you show me the way?
Cross the street and turn left at the corner. You'll find it there.
Awesome, thank you. Now, where can I get some new clothes? I didn't pack for the cooler weather.
You can check out the shopping mall center. Just go past that store and walk 2 more blocks.
Do they sell warm clothes? I didn't expect it to be so chilly here.
It's pretty unpredictable here. The mall has a variety of clothing stores, so you should be able to find what you need.
Great, thanks. If I need anything else, where's the closest convenience store?
Just keep going down this road. Take a right at the intersection, and you'll be there.
Awesome. I also couldn't find the bus station. Do you know where it is?
The nearest bus station is a bit of a walk. If you'd rather save money, just continue straight for about 10 blocks, take the second right, and then turn left.
That sounds a bit complex. I think I'll grab a taxi instead.
Sure. Taxis are available, but I promise you'll get the hang of these streets in no time.
Maybe, but for now, I'd prefer the taxi option. One last thing. Can you point me to the nearest police station, just in case?
Sure, but I hope you don't need it for anything serious. It's not too far. Just head down this street between the bank and the cafe.
Thanks, it's just a precaution. Is there a place nearby where I can have a drink? I'd like to celebrate my first day here.
Of course, There's a cafe right next to the police station for some coffee. Or if you're looking for something stronger, there's a bar just down the street.
Actually, I was thinking more along the lines of a disco for some dancing.
Got it. Head straight and make a left when you see the bookstore around the corner from the post office.
Thanks a lot. You've been incredibly helpful. By the way, I didn't catch your name.
I'm Henry.
Nice to meet you, Henry. And thanks again. Have a fantastic day, and I'll be sure to take in all this city has to offer.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.